Improvisation using pentatonic scale level 2. Now in level 1 we had a particular pattern of movement. We were just moving do, re, mi, sa, mi, re, 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 do, re. So that was level 1. For level 2, we know the 4 notes we will play, but we play them at random. We are not playing them in a particular order. So that is what improvisation means. To improvise means do it anyhow. That's the main meaning of improvisation. There's no particular pattern to it, right? No particular pattern. Now, I overdid that just now, right? I got carried away. Your task for level 2 is simple. Don't change the rhythm. Just the same thing you did before, but at random. I wish you could. You don't have to change the melody note every time. You can hit the same note more than once. Do you understand? I've changed again, chord progression. Let me start again. So the secret is the same thing you did in level 1. Just play it at random. After a while, you will get used to it. It will get into your body, and you don't even need to think about it. You just keep playing them at random. The same pace. Don't do something like this. No, don't be faster than the normal pace. Just keep hitting normal pace. You don't have to play exactly what I played. Let your brain guide you. Let your fingers guide you. You can hit one note more than once, but it has to be just this 4. Limit yourself to it. We will expand later, but for now, that's that. Yeah, I wish you a very happy practice. See you in level 3.